Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Nubia Red Magic 6R. And to do this you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you previously on how to do it. Here find the files that you want to pack, select each of the file, click on the arrow on the plus button, and right here you'll be able to pack your file and change any archiving options. So I'm just gonna pick a different name for it. You can experiment with settings, but it's not necessary as a simple RAR file doesn't require it. So when you're ready, click on OK, and that way you make the pictures.rar file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.